I feel like I need to be drinking this too. You have to with your pinky up, though. I have to do it with this hand, then. Yes. Meet up Burping Contest. I'm not good at it, though.
I always beat my brother, so.
I get it.
That was bad.
Come on.
Nope.
Oh, we're really bad at this.
Yeah, no, I'm usually really good at this. I, like, always beat my brother.
Come on. Shake it up, Inzet. Shake it up. 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 Ah, it's not coming out. It's like right at the top.
Wait until we get in the car.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Oh my god.
We had the party.
We're so ladylike.
No, I have some
You
really
win.
left. No. These are so lame. Trust me, I always beat my brother. This is really bad.
Poor Jonathan.
Yeah, it's really sad.
Yes. We're gonna go to Scarlett's party soon.
She's on her way.
And we will be too, eventually. You look pale again.
What?
You look pale again.
I'm always pale. My lips look
like
really
really red, and I'm just like.
I swear this isn't anything. They're just like red.
Fred?
Red. Like I've been like.
Oh, there's that. There you go.
That still looks wimpy though. Just saying.
Well, fine. It's so bad when I'm at work and I burp like to a customer on accident. So I'm like, "Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Can I take your order?" That's really bad. So last night, well, no, I shouldn't say that on here. That sounded really wrong.
We watched a movie.
Yes, we did. Ha ha ha. Had to do something with our lovers. Sort of.
Still laughing at what Chandler said.
Did I? Miss your birthday.
Oh, keep it.
Yes, we are terrible people, but I'm okay with that.
Because we're us. So.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's really
Y'all
fun.
are jealous of us.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. No, probably not. We're not that cool. I mean, we are, but
We're cool, but not like that cool.
yeah, no.
I found my braid. Or one of
Found
my
a
like
braid too?
10. I feel a really big one coming on. Nope. That's not it.
You have to get it from your diaphragm.
Thank you.
Very nice job. Very nice.
That
You
was
should tell Becky we're having a burping contest. There's something to talk about.
Okay.
Okay, so we should try swallowing our tongues again because that was really fun. Or gargle. Oh, I can gargle coffee. Except it's really hot. That's weird. Oh dear. I have all these videos down here from recording stuff for John. Like, this is all these things I would lip sync to. We should sing for them.
okay. Wait, hold on. We're having a burping contest.
So, this is our song. Just for you. Never mind, bye.
Never mind, bye.